Whoa! But this is the view you guys need to see. Yes, this is big. This is actually big because we have planned to go to Zuko Valley. It's an awesome place. It's undescribable. All right. We are 8 of us, and then we'll be going to Zuko Valley today. And then this is not going to be a moto vlog. All right. We have booked transportation. All right. We'll be going in a car. We are 8 of us, and then we'll be going from Kangpokpi to Mao. There's a place named Kuzuma. That is where we are gonna have to start our trek, and then we'll start from there. And also, what's up guys, this is Manjil and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So I don't want to make this very long. All right, there is going to be part 1 and part 2, so stay tuned for the next part. Till then, I'll see you guys on the ride. Yes. So after you come to the national highway, you're gonna see all these places, and there's a board written over there, way to Zuko. It's a very big board, so it's going to be very easy for you guys. There's a restaurant over there. You guys can just have something over there and then start for the trek. And also you can take your four-wheeler probably 2 kilometers from here, and then there's no point for the vehicle to go forward, and then from there you can trek. So we've reached to a point where we are gonna have to push our vehicle because the roads are not really nice. All right, but if you are planning on coming on a bike, please don't. If you want to, then you can, but it's going to be a very big problem. We have been pushing our vehicle for a very long time now. All right, and this is where we are. These are the mountains. So this is the last point we came on our car. We're gonna have to walk from here. All right, the guys are on the way. I'll be on the way now. We'll keep you guys posted. So it was probably 8,000 footsteps from here. I just hope it's worth going. There are the guys. Sanjeev, Loknath, Navin. Over there Manjit. And some of the guys are already up front. We are only about 10 minutes from the starting point, and we are already sweating like pigs. This is the way. We are 6,300 footsteps to Zuko Valley now. Some of the guys are waiting over there. यस्तो उकालो छ यार, आमामा कतिसम्म हो यो उकालो?
This is उकालो सिडी. बहुत थक गए भाई.
Let me be very clear. If you guys don't have the stamina, if you are only willing to come because of the hype, please don't, because the roads are literally like this. All right, this place is so cold, but then I've kept my jacket over here. I'm just wearing my t-shirt. The guys have been resting over there. We already took rest for around 6 times. All right, that is the way. There, look at the steepness, and from there you won't find anything. You just need to see where the road takes you. And I took the wrong way. I was going this way because I never expected the road to be like this. This is the way. कसम यार थक्यो मजाले हेर्न कति उकालो छ यार. So I think this is the last steep. We are gonna have to walk 8,300. Let's see how the view looks like. Whoa! Woo! 100% worth the climb. Now this way. Whoa! Oh, come on. So we finally reached the exact destination. It probably took us around, we started our journey at around 12:50 and we reached here by 2:30. Ajur? Alright. And I'm not sure, but most probably we'll be going over there. This is the way. We'll be going like this, we'll be going around. Let me be honest, I was about to give up when I was coming toward this place. I was literally giving up, but then it was written over there like you are only 500 steps away. And then I came up, and after I saw this view, come on man, it was breathtaking, man. Look at the place. Look at this. And this is just the starting. We'll be going to some place and then we'll camp. We'll spend our night. There are the guys over there. But absolutely worth it. The climb, the tiredness, everything was worth it. Look at this. I have always told you guys to look at the view in each and every video, but this is the view you guys need to see. Oh, come on. I am so glad I took this trip. I am so glad I have these friends. You can see those place, those valley, those were all caught by fire probably last year. You can see the difference. It's a little greenish over here and there are no grasses over there. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm gonna have to be very careful because I'm also holding my camera, and also the road is like this. There seem to be some houses over there. And this is how the valley looks like. It is कति बज्यो अहिले 2:33, 3 o'clock. We done. So there seem to be a homestay kind of place over here. There are the tents. So we reached the point, all right, and then the guys will be staying over here. This is actually called dormitory. This is where they will be staying. But then I bought my own tent, so I won't be staying there. And the prices of the stuffs are something like this. You can just pause the video and see if you want to know the prices. Private room 1500, dormitory 15 per night, blankets and all right, kitchen uses. But then I have set up my tent over here. This is where I'm going to spend my night. There are actually a number of tents, but then these are rentals. I bought my own tent. I set it up by myself. You guys must have seen it. This is the view right now. All right, this is the view. This is the valley. The view in my left is like this. We are actually going to see around. There seems to be a helipad over there and also a very nice viewing point. So we'll try checking out that place. Look at this. This is the evening view of the valley. That is where we are staying for tonight. That is the way we came over there. This is the evening view of the valley. All right, I'll be showing you guys the morning view as well. So right now, the time is 4:48 and this is how it looks like over here. We went somewhere over there and then took pictures. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to see all those pictures. We'll be chilling over here. There are some places to stay over there. The tents are here. Over here as well. The first one is mine. So I think we'll crash in a while because it's getting cold. My hands are actually freezing right now. And then we were told we'll be having our dinner at 7. Till then, we'll chill out with the guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow again. This is what the morning looks like.